Hey, now y'all know I broke my piggy bank the other day, and instead of spending the money on something more beneficial, I spent it all on a small silver chain. Wow, yes, I love silver, but I'll stop for another day. Now today I'm here to bring you the best to ever do it. And I'm not talking just one, but two young ladies. Yes, they claim to be the best female African coffee makers or baristas all over the world. They say they've been there and done that, so let's check them out. Good. So, tell me a little bit about yourself.
I'm called Hadi. I'm from Uganda, Africa, and I'm a barista working in Dubai, UAE.
That's nice. And you, Mom?
I'm Hannah. I'm also a barista working in UAE. I'm from Uganda, the part of Africa.
Wow. So, tell me, how long have you been staying here in Dubai?
Me, I've been here for 36 months.
36 months.
Yeah.
And you, Hadi?
It's just 19 months.
19 months.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
She's a new.
Have you been to any other countries apart from the UAE?
Me personally, I've been to 3 countries of
Okay.
East Africa,
Okay.
but my next journey is Ethiopia.
Okay.
See you soon.
So you've pretty much been to every African country apart from Ethiopia, right?
Yeah.
Nice. And you, Hadi?
Just Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah.
So apart from UAE, you've gone to Kenya also.
Yeah.
Have you been doing the same things there, or?
No,
did
I
you-
just went for a visit.
A
in
visit.
Kenya, yeah.
And you, Hannah? East African countries?
East Africa went for coffee trips.
Coffee
so
trips.
technically, it's the same thing.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. So, you ladies mentioned that you are baristas. What exactly do baristas do? For the sake of those that are not very much familiar with the word.
A barista is someone who makes cold and hot beverages.
Okay.
Specifically us, we are specialized in coffee beverages.
Okay.
Like latte, cold latte, hot latte, cappuccinos, flat whites, espressos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't forget the manual brewing coffee. It's the
Okay.
best.
Wow.
That is V60,
Chemex,
Chemex.
Mr.
Mention it.
Flavor,
Oh.
Siphon, cold brew, all that.
Wow. That sounds a lot. It sounds
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mentioned that you're baristas, right? What exactly does a barista do? Just for the sake of those who are not very much familiar with the word.
Are you serious? You don't know who a barista is? Anyways, a barista is someone who serves cold coffees, any beverage, hot and cold beverages. They make, they serve. That is a barista for you.
Yeah, but for us specifically, we are specialized in coffee beverages,
Okay.
like latte, cappuccinos, espresso.
Manual brewing, Chemex, V60, cold drip, mention but a few.
Yeah, there are a lot of drinks.
I think I'm only familiar with the latte.
with latte.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the common one, but
I've-
cappuccino, latte, yeah, like everywhere.
Yes. So
Yeah.
for how long have you been a barista? How long have you been doing this barista thing?
Me personally, I've been into coffee, I think, my whole life. Since I'm from Uganda, and Uganda is the motherland of Robusta coffee. But professionally, I've been a barista for 3 years.
Wow. Okay. And you, Hadi?
Yeah, I've been a barista for 4 years.
4 years now?
Yeah, it's 4 years now.
Yeah. So, ladies, one by one, you can tell us anything about coffee, good, bad, or ugly, anything, just pretty much anything about coffee.
Coffee is awesome. I have one secret. It's paying good.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah.
Okay, me, I'll start from where I started from. Like, how I developed the love for coffee. At first, I didn't like the smell of coffee, the way it used to smell. I don't know why. But when I started working in a coffee shop, I don't know how I developed that love.
Yeah.
And I just fell in love with it. And I know everyone, if you get exposed to coffee, you just fall in love with it.
It's healthy. Yeah, it's very healthy.
Okay, it's a healthy product, so to speak.
It is, but if you overtake it, it also has some side effects. Like everything.
Okay.
If you overdo it, there is some side effects.
Okay.
But if you do it right, it's a good drink.
Nice. Thanks. Okay. So ladies, so the coffee beans, the coffee beans that you guys use in your shops, do you have any idea where they come from?
Yeah,
where they're grown?
We have many countries that are into coffee, like Brazil, like Ethiopia, like India, Salvador, Colombia, Kenya,
Uganda.
Yeah.
So we do receive all those varieties.
From different countries?
Yeah, from different countries.
Which one is the best?
Ethiopia, of course.
Ethiopia?
I prefer Uganda. Simply.
So which one? Uganda or
Simply.
Ethiopia?
I prefer Uganda.
So you have Uganda and we have Ethiopia. Let me see.
Uganda, I'm from Uganda, so
She's from Uganda, but she has said the best one comes from Ethiopia.
yeah, since Ethiopia was the first, right?
Yeah,
To get
because Uganda we have one problem. We are not doing specialty coffee. We are doing it's called what? I forgot.
It's commercial.
Commercial. We are
so
into
they
commercial.
don't give it like a good
Quality.
care. It's
Our
not a-
quality is low.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Ethiopia is high. So
Okay.
it has the best coffee in the world so
Yeah.
far.
Hannah, Hadi, do you think the coffee growers in Africa do benefit from their coffee? Do you think they do benefit? Do you feel they get full benefit from the coffee they grow? I'm talking about the person that grows the coffee from step one. Do you think they benefit from their coffee?
No, they don't.
Why is that? What could be the problem?
First of all, it's the government.
Uh-huh.
I don't mean the government as in government, but the government has not done enough for the farmers.
Okay.
So when we do cupping and everything, cupping is about grading the coffee and everything. Ugandan coffee has I think low quality. Should I call it like that?
Yeah, has low quality. Yeah,
So if there's low quality, that means there's no enough market.
yeah.
So it's not good for the farmers.
Yeah, and even if it were me, if you give me something of low quality, I will not give you, as much money as somebody who would give me something of a good quality.
Yeah.
Okay. And Hadi, what do you have to say about that?
Me, I think they don't benefit much because when the roasters get the coffee beans from the farmers, they get it at a lower price. And when they go up there, they roast the beans and they maybe sell them after roasting. Like they get more, they receive more money than the farmers. So what I think maybe there is some cheating. And also the restaurants, like in the restaurants, like we charge more. Because if you can get like a small cup of coffee very expensively, yet you bought a kg down there, a raw coffee at a cheaper price. So I think they are being cheated, the farmers.
Okay.
So
Which is bad.
there is no measures. There's no right measures to the farmers. Government
the
has
specific
it
standard,
done,
but maybe they should receive this money.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's those ones who are deep down in the villages, they don't know what's up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Probably the government also does not.
they don't care.
Yeah, they don't care that much, and maybe they have not realized the benefits that could come from
Perhaps. Yeah.
growing coffee and everything. Yeah. So, do you think coffee growers in Africa, especially Uganda, benefit enough from their work?
No, they don't.
What could be the problem? Why?
Me personally, I think it's the government. Government has not done anything about it.
Yeah.
Government has not taught farmers on how to produce good quality.
Good quality coffee.
So Ugandan farmers tend to produce low quality of coffee, and it's cheap
Yeah.
compared to other African countries. Yeah, so the government is the problem here. Not the government. I mean the government.
Okay.
Yeah, and also I think the farmers are not benefiting enough from the coffee, because I think they not I think but it's the real thing. They do everything from scratch, like everything from down there until the bean is ready. But they are being cheated by the coffee roasters. Yeah,
Coffee shop owners.
yeah. Coffee shop owners, they come, they buy the coffee beans at a cheaper price.
Okay.
They can roast it and then they sell it expensively. Yet they bought it at a very cheap price. Yeah, so I think they're being cheated. They need to be considered. Maybe
there should be measures put in place by the government.
Yeah, so they should pretty much set the
Standard.
the lowest
concept.
price.
yeah,
to say,
because I know those farmers, most of them, they're like local people, villagers. Like they don't have enough knowledge about what's happening.
Yeah.
So
Because once I walked into a shop, this was a coffee shop actually, and I found this it's a Filipino friend of mine. The coffee beans he was using were from Uganda. Yeah. And I had no idea. But I don't know. That's why I'm asking you this question, because the coffee beans have come straight from Uganda, but I've seen the coffee growers in Uganda suffering, living a very low life.
yeah, that's
Yeah. Yet the coffee beans that they're growing are sold here, and the coffee that you're doing, you guys, I'm pretty sure it's expensive.
yeah, very expensive.
So the middlemen, middlemen are the ones cheating farmers. They buy let's say a kg at a cheaper price. They sell it to a high price. So government should do something.
Yeah, it's all about the government. I think they should set standards for the whole industry.
Okay.
Yeah, that the farmer gets this, maybe this person gets this. Yeah, than just leaving the farmers down in their big.
So, I want to ask you one question. How do you find your job as a barista?
To me, it's interesting because I can't stop learning.
Okay.
Every day I have to learn something new, and it's like I enjoy making the drinks. Like when I make something and the customer appreciates it, and like I love that. Yeah.
Hannah?
Come on. It's the best. I love being a barista because I talk to people, I get to know people, I know how to deal with people. And besides, if you do anything with passion, trust me,
I believe that.
you love that.
I believe that. Yeah.
That's it.
And what's the bad? Anything that ever annoys you? Maybe your boss. You feel like kicking your boss in the face sometimes, or customers or something.
Yeah, sometimes a little bit.
Yeah.
But we know how to deal with people because we don't know. Someone is going through a lot.
Yeah.
So our job as a barista is to comfort those people and teach them and
Welcome them,
also
embrace them, and make them feel at home.
Yeah.